This ABC 15 Flash Briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. Straight up.
Hello, I'm Danielle Lerner with your top stories from ABC15 Arizona. The president of Arizona State University blowing the whistle on several bars along Mill Avenue. President Michael Crow reporting those bars to the Arizona Department of Health Services, specifically mentioning Zips Sports Grill, 414 Pub and Pizza, Loco Patron, and Kung Fu Tea in his official complaint. He also attached photos of people inside the bars over Labor Day weekend, many of whom were not wearing masks or social distancing. Now, in his letter to the state health department, Crow says those violations, quote, represent the kind of undisciplined and risky activity which, if not properly addressed in a timely manner, could worsen COVID-19 spread among the ASU community and in the larger community surrounding the Tempe campus. We did reach out to those establishments for their response and have not heard back as of this broadcast. Well, ASU's most recent update on the number of coronavirus cases within the university, that was sent out late Thursday night. The report saying there have been more than 1,400 confirmed cases on the campus since August 1st. So that's an increase of 83 cases since the previous report on Tuesday. ASU says 637 of those cases are currently active. So that means the students or staff members have not been medically cleared yet to return to in-person learning. 505 of those cases involve people living off campus. Checking the latest coronavirus numbers now. Today, the state health department reporting 384 new cases. The total number of confirmed cases is now more than 208,000. The state also reporting another 7 deaths from the virus, bringing the total number of lives lost to 5,322. School districts all across the state will be watching those numbers closely, especially as thousands more students and teachers head back to the classroom tomorrow. Scottsdale Unified will welcome preschoolers and their self-contained special education students. Dysart Unified will have K through 4th, 9th graders and their Sundown Mountain students on campuses. Chandler Unified will resume in-person instruction for pre-K through 2nd. And our state's largest district, Mesa Public Schools, will begin modified in-person learning. Now, earlier this week, I sat down with State Superintendent Kathy Hoffman to get her take on how school reopenings are going. Overall, she feels the state and county benchmarks have served their purpose, and she's pleased by the number of districts using them to make critical decisions. Still, Hoffman says safety protocols and communication will be key to schools' long-term success.
Do you think schools should be more transparent than they're required to be when it comes to sharing this COVID data with their communities?
I would advocate for enhanced transparency from our school communities. The more transparent schools can be, the more confidence their families and teachers and staff will be in knowing that they're able to make well-informed decisions.
Well, this week, the city of Flagstaff will be entering phase 3 of its COVID-19 reopening plan. Under this phase, the city will start a limited reopening of city facilities and amenities, including City Hall and also the main Flagstaff Library. Face coverings and social distancing guidelines will still be in place. The plan will also include some direction on opening city parks and also recreation facilities, too. Also happening this week, community organizers and activists will unite on the steps of Phoenix City Hall, demanding the city fight for the Black Lives Matter mural project. That mural was rejected last week before it was even discussed. Organizers wanted to put that mural downtown along 3rd Street near Talking Stick Resort Arena. The idea was quickly dismissed, citing federal law and guidelines. The demonstration tomorrow starts at 10 a.m. there at Phoenix City Hall.
With your most accurate forecast, I'm meteorologist Jorge Torres. We are expecting above average temperatures from now through much of this upcoming work week, thanks to a powerful ridge of high pressure that will build across the southwest from now through the next several days. Notice how it just kind of meanders over the southwest. However, the smoke will continue to linger for at least one more day due to the wildfires burning in California. Now, as far as the air quality for tomorrow in the valley, it should be in the moderate count, but it's going to be hot once again, with highs across the state generally in the 70s and 80s to the north, with 90s and 100s in the lower deserts. And as I mentioned, the air quality for your Monday should be in the moderate count here in the valley. But that 7-day forecast showing Above average conditions still regarding our temperatures, anywhere from 104 to 107 for daytime highs. One more day of haze, though, and then the skies clear out with abundant sunshine from Tuesday onward, and lows generally in the upper 70s and lower 80s each and every night, with no rain in the forecast for the next 7 days.
For the latest headlines, weather, and traffic, head to abc15.com or download our free ABC15 mobile app.
This ABC 15 Flash Briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. Straight up.